Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube app not working issue on iPhone. So guys, let's start this video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, check your internet connection. Ensure that your iPhone is connected to a stable and functioning Wi-Fi or cellular data. So first, for the check net, go to Safari browser and tap on Google here, and you can see that my internet is working. Go back now, and then after this the next solution is update the YouTube app. So for the update, go to App Store, go to the search section and search YouTube. So here is the YouTube app, so simply tap on update here. So after updating the app, and then after this the next solution is restart your YouTube app. So like it's updating, so restart. And then after this the next solution is restart your iPhone. A simple restart can often resolve various app related issues. To restart your iPhone, tap on the power button and volume up at the same time. So drag the slider to the right to power off your iPhone. So guys, after restarting your iPhone, open the lock screen, and then after this the next solution is check your date and time settings. Ensure that your iPhone's date and time settings are correct. Incorrect date and time settings can sometimes affect app functionality. So go to settings, tap on general, tap on date and time. So simply correct your date and time, like, and then tap on also set automatically. Go back now, and then after this the next solution is check for iOS update. So for this, go to settings, tap on general, tap on software update. So guys, if you have available any update, so update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. So guys, and after this the next and the last solution is, if your YouTube app is not working, so simply tap and hold on it, tap on remove, tap on delete. So simply delete the app and reinstall it again. So guys, here are the some simple solutions to fix this issue. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys, see you in the next video. Thank you.